Hey guys, so today I'll be trying out some more store-bought slime, and this is slime and unicorns, this is slime and dinos, and I actually saw this at the store and I recognized this brand because I recently tried another slime from them and it actually turned out great. So I'll link that video in the description, and so I just want to see if this is just as good as the other store-bought slime. Alrighty, so it's called Slime and Unicorns. It's from this brand right here, and it says it comes with 4 squishy figures, 1 round figure, and 1 rainbow, so those are like the add-ins that you see here. And yeah, the slime itself is like a highlighter pink with some glitter in it, and it's kind of like a clear slime. So yeah, overall I'm very impressed by this clear slime. This is like a really nice clear slime, and I'm kind of surprised that it's a store-bought slime. So if you do see it in stores, I would totally recommend you check it out, because really it's a clear slime, but it's like super holdable. It's really nice and thick, and you know, the color is this really awesome bright pink. It also has these beautiful glitters in it. You know, it does all the bubble pops. It's really nice and stretchy. Like the more I play with it, it starts to get stretchier just because it needs to warm up. This has been sitting, you know, in the cold for a little bit. But yeah, it's still really nice and stretchy, and I would totally recommend this. As for scent, I don't really smell anything, so that's actually good. There's no scent to it. But yeah, texture-wise, looks-wise, it's really nice. And according to the container, it's a 12-ounce slime. So it doesn't fill the container completely. you know, just because there's add-ins, but, you know, 12 ounce, I don't know if they're talking about the slime itself or, you know, the whole container. But yeah, I'm really impressed by this. This is even better than the other slime that I got from this company. So yeah, definitely check it out. The next one, which is slime and dinos. I think same thing, 4 squishy figures, 1 squishy ball, and 1 nubby ball. So that's a little different. But yeah, this one is clear blue with some glitter in it. So yeah, once again, this definitely was a success and I would recommend it. The texture is pretty much the same as the other one. You know, it's this really nice, holdable, clear slime. It's got these beautiful glitters in them and, you know, same thing. I don't really smell anything. It's nice and cookie. And it's also really nice and clear. And so yeah, overall, these were awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching my review. I would totally check out these slime and whatever products from Toysmith. They're really good quality for store-bought slime and just for, you know, slime in general. And yeah, I'm really excited I tried these out and I would totally recommend them. Thanks for watching.